In today's video, I will walk you through how to analyze crypto volume on CoinMarketCap. To analyze crypto volume on CoinMarketCap, open your browser and go to CoinMarketCap. On the homepage, you will see a list of cryptocurrencies ranked by market capitalization. For this tutorial, select Bitcoin from the top list and open its dedicated page. Once you are on the Bitcoin page, you will see the main overview section with charts and market information. By default, the page displays the price chart. You can also view market cap information and adjust the chart time frame. Hover over the chart line to view exact values for specific dates. Use this information to compare price movements with changes in trading activity. Next, look at the statistics panel on the left side of the page. Here, you will find different metrics including market cap, volume, FDV, and supply information. For this tutorial, focus on the volume metric. The volume section shows the total dollar value of Bitcoin traded across tracked exchanges during the last 24 hours. You will see the current volume amount along with the 24-hour percentage change. Use this information to check whether trading activity is increasing or decreasing. To review volume patterns, compare price movement with volume changes. When the price rises and volume also increases, review the higher trading activity shown on the page. If the price rises while volume decreases, compare the volume levels to understand the activity behind the movement. If volume increases significantly while market cap changes only slightly, review the data and compare the activity levels. You can compare the current volume with recent days to check whether the activity is above or below normal levels. Use different chart time frames to review different volume patterns. Shorter time frames may show more changes, while longer time frames can show clearer patterns. Check whether volume increases match specific events or important price levels shown on the chart. Continue reviewing the volume metric together with the price chart and other available information on the cryptocurrency page. Remember to use volume information together with the other data available on CoinMarketCap. Volume helps you review trading activity, but it does not determine price movement by itself. The process is simple. Select a cryptocurrency, open its page, review the price and market cap chart, and check the volume metric in the statistics panel. Use these observations to continue your cryptocurrency research and analyze trading activity on CoinMarketCap. Thank you for watching.